These are screwpine fruits. Some of the most prehistoric looking fruits on the planet. Look at that. Doesn't that look like the weirdest thing you've ever seen? But inside it's really special, and I'll crack it open and you'll see what's inside. But before that, you're probably wondering, where the hell did you get this from, right? So this is why I'm going to show you first where I harvested it.
Ja, man! Woohoo!
Got it! So that's how they're growing, but this tree is a little bit too tricky to go in, right? But look how many ripe ones though.
Ja, man.
Like 5 ripe ones. So this is how they grow. Come and look. It's very, very tricky actually to harvest them because the leaves have these super sharp spikes on them. Do you see? All the leaves have super sharp spikes on them. It's the kind of spike where when you put it in your finger, it doesn't come out. You know, like they have like these hooks that like prevent you from pulling your fingers out. So it's really tricky actually harvesting them. But look underneath here. You can see, look, these are the completely unripe ones. Then they become a little bit bigger, okay? Then after that, they become a little bit more bigger. Sorry for the crying baby in the back. You see? And then once they're ready, look, they become even a little bit bigger. But see, this already cuts.
Wow.
You see that? Beautiful, right?
That one is beautiful.
Yeah, look. Beautiful orange, right? And then they turn red. Look at that. This one has ants all over though, so look out, yeah?
Wow.
Yeah, we got them. You want to open it and see what's inside? And try to eat it maybe? Who knows if it's edible or not? I mean, I know, I've eaten this before. Here we go. So this is what you do. Do you see all these compartments here? We're gonna crack off one of them. And you do that by putting it on the floor, and you're gonna start wiggling it like that with your thumb from all sides. And it's not easy, I'm gonna tell you. It's not easy to get them off. But this one is perfectly ripe, so in the end it will work. But this might take me some time. Oh my god. Okay, and now the last side, and then it should crack open. Oh, damn it, it's in the sand. But look what's inside though. That's like magic, right? And then once you get the first one out, that's the difficult one because there's all the other ones next to it. But then you can just push them towards the hole. Look. Oh, do you hear that? Here we go. Oh, here we go. There you go. You see? If you are a fan of tropical fruits, right? If you have like ordered some fruits to your home in the States or in Europe or wherever you're at, or if you went on a holiday somewhere in Southeast Asia or in Latin America and you've tried some fruits and it was amazing, you have to join our Thai fruit retreat. It's a retreat in Thailand. It's a week-long event, right? We're going to be in a beautiful villa in nature. We're going to do a lot of nature-based activities, hiking, private boat trips to national parks, waterfalls, dipping in fresh water, stuff like that, yoga, breathwork, you know, all the best stuff. And then we're going to be eating fruits only and also raw vegan dinners, so it's a little bit exciting as well and for the dinners, but mainly fruits, and it's going to be the top quality fruits, best fruits on the planet. We're going to have plenty of other fruits that look as quirky as this, that you've never seen before, never tried before, and it's going to be really, really exciting. So come and join us. The only thing you need to do is click this banner right here, or go in the description of this video, right, and click the first link. It's going to take you to an application form, fill it in, and we'll get back to you on how you can book your spot at the Thai Fruit Retreat. Come join us, come and eat funky, quirky fruits with us. This is screwpine, a beautiful ancient fruit that no one actually knows about, even the locals. We were just walking with it because I harvested it on a tree, and then we came to the beach to film this video. And the locals were looking at this and they were like, oh, that's some kind of a fruit or something. They didn't even have a clue, even though it hangs right above them in the bushes. It's a little bit hidden, as you saw on the footage, but still you would expect, you know, that they would know about this. They don't, right? Look, this is how you eat it. Do you see? This is like a stamp almost, and it has this fibers with very, very oily flesh. Like if I rub over it, it's very oily and sticky, right? And you just suck this part off of it, right? So this is not really a fruit that you would find in the shops or something like that, or in the stores, because it's more of a survival fruit, right? It grows in the forest, in the bushes, right, in the jungle, and with these very, very sharp needles on the leaves. So obviously people are not going to harvest it. And then on top of that, it's more of like a suck and extract fruit. You know what I mean? Like you suck it and you extract a very dense flavor from it. It's not like a mango where you can bite into it and really have a full meal. This is way more dense in flavor. It's oily, very, very oily. And it kind of tastes like the mix of a carrot and a mango, if you can think of that. It's like an oily carrot with mango hints to it. Very, very intriguing, right? Look at this fruit, right? I'll open one more. You just wiggle it. See, this one comes out a little bit easier now. There you go. Look at that. How beautiful, right? It's just such a funky fruit. It's like almost impossible that this exists, right? And a lot of people have told us, because we've had quite a lot of viral reels with this fruit, right? A lot of people have told us that this looks like the devil fruit in the One Piece manga series, right? I have never seen it, but people have sent me videos of it and it actually does look like that. And it's supposed to be like, in the manga series, it's supposed to be a fruit that gives you like, I don't know, like endless life and superpowers. I kind of believe it does the same in nature, right? Let's try one more time. You just suck the top off of it. Very, very interesting. Yeah, very hard to explain. Sweet, slimy, oily, and kind of like a starchiness, like a raw potato. You know what I mean? Like it's like everything in between, but it's not the kind of starchiness where it's clearly an unripe fruit. It is ripe. There's just a little bit of starchiness to it and funkiness, really funky, you know? I think this is one of the most beautiful looking fruits on the planet. What do you think?
Somewhere inside there is a man hunting for sprouts. Do you see his back over there? Where do you hunt for sprouts? Of course, under the coconut trees, right? Plenty of them. They're bound to drop some coconut. Oh, there you go. Woo! Whew. Bingo!
Pretty easy to open. Oh, that's very difficult, Leah, for you. Wow.
Oh my gosh. That's a perfect one.
Perfect.
I want to try with the sauce.
With the sauce.
There you go, with the sauce. You do with the sauce or without the sauce? There you go. With the sauce.
With the sauce? Okay, show me the sauce.
Too late.
Too late? Oh my god, I'm too late for the sauce?
Yeah, too late for the sauce.
This is the sprout. And then here. This one doesn't have too much sauce, but see the sauce? Delicious sauce. You want to try?
Yeah, man.
Salty, yeah, that one is the salty one, right?
Mmm. Mmm.
So, if you want it salty, you put it in the salt water. And eat it.
That's a genius idea.
Genius, right?
If you want it salty, you just put it in the salt water.
Delicious.
And the sauce.
This is the sauce. Look at the sauce. See
Oh my god.
that? And there's even more here.
Me.
That's a
Whoa.
big piece of sauce. You can have as well.
Yeah.
You can really eat this. How do you say that? Till the cows go home?
Yeah.
It's so delicious. Super salty. Obviously because these coconuts grow at the coast, but I've eaten them when they don't grow at the coast. And they're still quite salty. Right? It's like they take the salt from the soil. And then extremely fatty and dense, especially with the layer of oil on it. But the oil is not like you would have a coconut oil. It's more like a fatty puree or something. It's not oily, you know what I mean?
No.
I mean it is
It's
oily.
fluffy oil.
It's fluffy oil. And then very sweet as well. But it's very hard to actually tell what it really tastes like if you don't try it yourself, right?
You have to come to one of our retreats.
Yeah. At our retreat, Thai fruit retreat, we do have coconut sprouts.
The best kind, island coconuts, where they
Very
absorb the
dry
salt
ones,
water
yeah.
from the sea.
So delicious. Wow. God, that's a strong. Alright. Try this. This is like better than any dessert.
I'll just take some.
Try it, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, that's unbelievably sweet.
That's the winner, right?
Wow.
It's so sweet.
Oh my god. This is like cotton candy mixed with marshmallows. Okay, that one is insane. That's
Yes.
easy one of the best sprouts I've ever eaten.
Yeah, the sweetest one I've ever had.
Yeah.
Here's Nusha.
Nusha, that is
That's
crazy.
a really good one.
Wow.
It's almost milky,
Yeah.
like a sweetened milk, condensed sweetened
Condensed milk. It's like cotton candy with condensed
With
milk
condensed milk.
oozing out of it.
milk. But then the structure of like a spongy bread.
Me, I like it.
This one's incredible.